Hey guys, what's up? It's Crazy Lily Plays here. I am in The Sims 4, currently creating myself. I'm halfway through, well, not halfway, maybe a quarter way through. So this is my everyday where I decided to go with something super cute and super like heartbreaking, because I am meant to be evil. So yeah. So we got this cute farm layer. Actually, I'm gonna. Oh no, okay then, game. I'm gonna change up my everyday where just put myself in this. I love stuff like that. Oh, I could be a hot dog. I could be a clown, killer clown, like Pennywise. Um, I actually really like this dress. I should have myself in this. This in white. You know what? I'm digging this. But my hair doesn't go with it. But we could change that. Wait, no, we can change that. That's what I meant to do. Hair. Have my crazy floppy hair. Oh no, okay, wait, nope. For formal, have this up in a balloon. Yes. So everyday wears this now. Crazy floppy hair. I literally have something like this in real life. Formal, and then let's go on to what am I wearing? Okay. Right. I am shocked. Like shocked. I literally will wear a bun like that. I'm wearing a bun like that right now and it's super floppy. It's flopping all over my head. Jumper. Pink, no. What jumper did I have on today? Let's go to the horses. I have no idea. That is cute. I am wearing that. Joggers. No, none. And we'll go to accessories and then get some. I love these. That's better. Okay, and the shoes literally go. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm gonna keep this long hair. I'm just gonna change up this. Like, totally put her in this. Like, totally, I wear this every night. Nope. I've got kind of like a top and like bottoms on just now. So I'm gonna try and find something that screams out to me like what I'm wearing. It's probably the closest, but it's not a tank top. And it's white. Yeah, I'll match. Not long sleeve. It's technically like this, but white. Ooh, that's cool. Look at all the cool colors. I don't care. Right, let's just give myself full body. This. And blue. No. Gray. Just gonna keep it with yellow for now. No. Lily, no. You have to wear bunny styling. Sorry. He's like, yay. Okay, why am I wearing a cowboy hat for starters? Take that. Bring it up your head, child. No. Oh yeah, and we need to sort our hair out. Look at this big monstrosity. Party, I'm gonna keep it like this. I know what I'm gonna wear. I'm going to wear, if I can find it, there it's the top. Denim or purple. Let's see if they have denim in the bottoms. You know what, let's have red. Let's be super bright. Loving it. And some nice little ankle boots. My dog's come to join me. Alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna have a bikini. I'm gonna have a full piece. Give myself that. My hair can stay down for now. So, guys, this is Crazy Lily Plays. I love her. I love her right now. Look at the curls in my hair. I love it. Okay. Let's click save. The Plays family. Right. Select a place to live. Should I make my own house? Should I live in Oasis Springs or Willow Creek? Willow Creek. I hate living in Oasis Springs because so many weird people come to my house. I'm like, ugh, stop. So I've got 20,000. I usually get this one because then I can furnish it myself. So let's click OK. Then we can furnish a house, and then that'll be it. And then that'll bring us to the end of this episode 1. Making me and moving in. If the game ever loads. There we go. My doctor's lying. So, I need to go into build mode. Oh, laggy. It's lagging today. Lagging game. I do indeed want a built-in bedroom. But the only thing is they're really expensive. I think I'm gonna get this. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy the room. Oh god, dang it. Wait, how do you delete it? Okay, undo. Let's get this. What is it? Pink. Yes, get it in pink. How do you enter this room? Okay. Oh, wait, what happened there? I have no clue. I'm not good with turning things. How do you turn things around again? I have no idea. Let's build it in and then let's move the door here. Yeah, I'm liking it. It's super cute. This is gonna be my gaming room, but I'm not gonna like do that. So just now. How much? 9,000. Let's just get this suite. Suite. Oh my god, that's massive. Let's make the kitchen over here. And we need a door. Where the heck do you enter? How am I gonna get in? I have no idea. Right, quickly, door. Okay, let's get a glass door to the kitchen. I love glass doors. Wait, no wait, doors. Doors. We're going to enter here. Okay. No, I don't want to remove the floor. How'd you delete a door? I want to delete the door. Wait. Guess we're going to have 2 doors to our house now. Sometimes I do give up. Lounge. Let's just grab a quick couch. We've got 7,000 left. Let's get this cute little sweet. No, Lily, what are you doing? It's this way. Well, that's a lot of money. Oh, what the heck? My game's laggy. No. Oh, it goes on something. One item. Let's get this table. Go back to TVs. And let's get, no. Let's get this TV. I wanted this. What? For God's sake. Well, what is compatible for a TV then? Looks like we're going back to old-fashioned stuff now. Okay, let's get this ugly little, cute, ugly TV. Oh yes, I forgot to furnish the bathroom. So let's furnish the bathroom. Let's pull, should we pull the wall out? Oh, for God's sake. Come on. No, not that one. This one. There we go. Oh, I've currently just finished the house. I think I just gave you, what am I doing? Wait, what what am I doing? I'm not doing push-ups. Why am I doing push-ups? Right, so let me give you a little tour of the house. So when you first come in, either this door or this door, that doesn't matter. You first off see the living room, obviously. If you turn to your right, you come into the kitchen, you enter the kitchen. And then, if you go up the hallway and to the left, you get the gaming room. To the right, you get the bathroom. And up this little skinny little way, and in this window is my bedroom. Pretty simple. Actually, I think I found a way to get rid of this door. I think. I don't know. Right. Yes, sales door. And move this there. Yay! We finally figured out how to do it. So anyway, no, I don't want to exercise here. What am I doing? So yeah, this is the house so far. I quite like it. There's nothing like exceptional. But we're gonna get me to not do push-ups, silly. What are you doing? And I'm gonna get her to let's have a little no, okay, that's relationships. She needs to pee, right? Okay, use the pee. Stop watching television. You can watch that later. Okay. Okay, Lily, put that off. Thank you. Goodness sake. I like how the way I walk. Okay, we're currently just watching her pee. Let's just go out here for a second. She's finished peeing it. Nope, yes, she has. Okay, so what we can do is we can just come over here and play Sims. Let's just quickly end the video while I watch myself play The Sims. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy this episode 1 of The Sims 4, creating me, and kind of getting into the game a little bit, please smash that like button and also subscribe. Plus guys, thank you for 19 subscribers already. Oh, okay, okay, let's stop watching. Okay, what the heck, let's just scoot away over here and look at this bush to do my outro. Ooh, spooky bush. Anyway, so if you guys did enjoy, please smash the like button and also subscribe. And as I said, thank you for 19 subscribers already. I am so thankful, and I'll see you in part 2. Well, episode 2. Bye!